Morning. It's Sunday, 27th of February. I'm just trying to get the travel travel controls on the John Deere 35D. Trying to get them unstuck. They're sticking. When you let go of the travel pedal, it's nice if it stops traveling rather than just keeps going, especially if it's only one track, which is what's happening now. That should not do that. And it's kind of freaky. So I found on the internet that often dirt accumulates in and under the travel pedals, and it looks like a lot more than dirt has accumulated under here. I've already started cleaning it out, but there is dirt and a good part of a window, I think, of glass. We got a pretty big buildup of dirt here, amongst other things. There's a little bit, and there's the rest of the whichever window that it was that broke. I'm not sure if it was the top or the bottom. Also figured out why nothing's coming out of the spray, because that's probably supposed to attach somewhere up here. We'll figure that out later. Possibly needs to go up and over. I'll find a sprayer, doesn't matter. I feel like that's gonna be some Googling too. Everything came off nice and easy-ish, so it's been a while since this has been off. You can see here, I mean, you get dirt underneath there, and this side's worse. Really big accumulation. This is the one that's sticking. Yeah, you see it's not even coming back to center. So I think once that's cleaned out, we should get much better pedal travel. So we'll see. So I decided to take the pedal and stick off so I could get access to underneath, which was really pretty bloody dirty. I was trying to pick this out with a piece of metal. I realized that a drill bit might work better because it lets me, because this clay that's in here, and it's clay, is pretty aggressive. It's been here a while. So a drill bit seems to work. It's not lovely for the metal, I'm sure, but it seems to work pretty darn well to get this out. And since I gotta clean all of this out, and this isn't even a bad one. The bad one is the other side, which we'll get to. Oh, look, a cache of glass over there. Excellent. We'll get to that one. Oh, a little bit down there too. We'll get to that one next. First, let's just see if we can get this guy all cleaned up. So I dropped my high-tech picker scratcher tool down that hole. However, that hole had a cover on it, and I couldn't get my hand down there. Oh, see another washer on there. Fun. Cool. Anyway, so I took the cover off and stuck my hand down there, and got it. It was quite easy, and stuck the vacuum down there just because there was some glass. I see there's a couple more pieces, and I found this, and I think that this is the missing friend to this fella that's on the latch to open the glass from over here. And it is fantastic. That was slightly uncomfortable to unlatch before. I just remembered watching a Let's Dig 18 video where he replaces the glass in his Volvo, I think. The big one. The lower glass in the door. And I just realized that this glass comes out too, which makes accessing all this stuff way easier, and I wish I'd figured out about an hour ago. Oops, now I know. So now we have a nice big clear workspace, and I can get in here and stab all this gross dirt. I was super impressed with the access in here, especially compared to cats, to be honest with you. Although the little cat is little, this is quite a bit bigger. I'd be curious to see what 17D looks like. Anyway, taking this other travel pedal off, or this other sticking pedal, because they're a combined unit, and then we'll clean outside out, and hopefully that will help with this stupid sticking problem. Well, I got everything out, and they still seem pretty sticky. Well, after all that, it turns out that the dirt was not actually the problem. It looks like there's something going on inside the travel pedal unit itself, or possibly this what look like spring units on the side. I gotta go check parts diagrams and stuff to figure that out. But it looks like they're just as sticky as they were before, which is great. However, it is a lot cleaner in there. I got most of the glass out, figured out where the sprayer for the wipers should live, so I think I need to order one of those as well. I think that I have a solution, I just don't have it implemented yet. So find the parts, pick up the parts, and carry on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.